Never get scam trading P2P anymore. In this particular video, I will be sharing with you how you can trade P2P on Bitget exchange like a pro. A lot of people have got their hand-earned money scammed, or their hand-earned money go by trading P2P, by selling to scammer or buying from scammer. But in this particular video, I will be sharing with you how you could successfully trade P2P with legit buyer. So come over, let me show you those things that you need to know. If you can follow this my step-to-step process, you'll be able to navigate and avoid scammers in the process. So when you log in, mind you need to have the Bitget exchange app downloaded on your phone. On your home page, you have to come to this particular area. On the home page, on more, you tap on more, then you come down and select P2P. You could see it there, P. If you haven't watched my video on how to trade P2P on Bitget, you can kindly watch it also, so you could know how to trade P2P also on Bitget. So you can see we have the buy and the sell button here. Let it load. So these are just a few things you need to know, like what I told you in also the one that I share with you on Bybit. The first thing is that just almost like the same thing. You have to come to your limit order, you have to set it, you have to set your payment method, then you have to tick on that you want to sell only to merchant, and also mind you, if you're in Nigeria, you have to let this be in Naira, and also you have to look at the performance of the seller here. So all these 5 things or 6 is what we'll be looking at quickly. So these 5 things are those things that we'll be looking. So let's look at the first one, which is the limit. Let's tap on the limit. Let's say I want to sell, you see, you want to sell 100, 1,000, 500,000, 5,000, 10,000, around 200,000. Let me tap on it. I click on confirm. You see that the price will definitely change. Let me tap on seller. I want to sell. Still the same thing for the process of selling, also the process of buying. So the next one, let's look at the payment method. I always tell you, always pick on bank transfer. Don't always leave it at select all. Always tap on bank transfer. Yes, and the next thing we want to do is that we want to tick on that merchant, that want to sell only to merchant on the Bitget exchange. And mind you, I told you I select this one be in error. And the next thing which you need to do, that if you can do this, you are 90% sure that you are selling to a legit buyer that are merchant in P2P, is that you need to come and look at this their order rate. 93, you could see this one is having 97. If you were to be on Bybit now, you see the number of order that they have taken actually. So the next thing you need to do now is that you tap on sell, then you see my bank details is already there. So it is under this aspect, you just say the amount you want to sell. Let me say 100 USDT. I'm not having USDT here, that is why it's showing. So you just have to tap the amount, then the amount will be displayed there. So another thing you need to know is that pay within 30 minutes. And this person will be paying. If you are not okay, you can go to another merchant which has lesser time of paying. And one thing you need to know, or you need to take note, conversant look, is to look at the agreement. Is very, very important. You need to look at the agreement here, to look at their terms. You can see. So the person say, please drop your number before I proceed with payment. Please only pay with legit or claim money, cause I will verify so before confirm. You can see what I'm saying. Please drop your phone number. So a lot of people, the way things are, a lot of people want to make sure that they are trading or buying from a legit somebody, because a lot of people will actually scam somebody and send the phone to another person so that they can look clean. So these things are just a precautionary method that a lot of people normally use to checkmate, to look if they are trading, because you don't want to fall into the hands of scammer. Also likewise, the person in the second hand doesn't want to fall in the hands of scammer. So if you're able to look at these 5 things that I've just shared with you, you'll be able to trade with legit buyer on Bitget SN. If this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that you can get notified anytime we post another wonderful video just like this. Thank you. Bye bye.